Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for all things crypto. Today we're diving into one of the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency world, meme coins. With their explosive popularity and potential for high gains, it's crucial to know how to buy meme coins safely and effectively. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to get started with buying meme coins in 2024. How to buy meme coins. 3 most popular ways. 1. Presales and ICOs. One of the earliest opportunities to purchase meme coins is during their presale or initial coin offering (ICO) phase. During this stage, projects offer coins at a discounted price to incentivize early investment, providing funds for development and marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to participate. A. Understanding presales and researching the meme coin. First, understand that presales offer the coin at a discounted price before it hits major exchanges. Thoroughly research the project's legitimacy, potential growth, and associated risks. Look for projects with a solid white paper, a credible development team, and active community support. Check if the project has been audited and if there are any red flags in the audit report. B. Prepare your wallet. To participate in a presale, you'll need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet that supports the coin you wish to purchase. Ensure your wallet is properly set up and secure by backing up your private keys or seed phrase. Wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and My Other Wallet are popular choices for pre-sales. C. Purchase required cryptocurrency. Most pre-sales require payment in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins. Purchase the necessary cryptocurrency from a reputable exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, and transfer it to your personal wallet. Make sure you have enough funds to cover the transaction fees as well. D. Register for the presale. Visit the project's official website and follow their registration process. This may include providing your email address and wallet details. Some presales require KYC, Know Your Customer, verification for regulatory compliance. Ensure you are on the official site to avoid phishing scams. E. Purchasing and receiving your meme coins. Log into the presale platform using the details provided during registration. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to invest, review the terms and conditions, and confirm the purchase. Your tokens will typically arrive in your wallet within a few days or weeks. Be patient, as some projects distribute tokens after the presale ends. 2. Cryptocurrency exchanges and brokers. After the presale or ICO stage, promising meme coins often get listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Here's a guide on buying meme coins on an exchange, using OKX as an example. Step 1. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the OKX platform and verify your identity with KYC or documentation. This process ensures the security of your account and complies with regulatory requirements. Step 2. Buy crypto. Click on the Buy Crypto button and select the Express Buy option. This feature allows you to purchase cryptocurrencies quickly and easily, using various payment methods such as credit, debit cards, or bank transfers. Step 3. Choose your currency. Select the currency you want to trade with and type Doge in the search field. This will bring up the Dogecoin trading pair options. Step 4. Specify amount. Enter the amount you wish to pay. For instance, entering $100 might give you 704,225 Doge. The exchange will automatically calculate the equivalent amount based on the current market rate. Step 5. Confirm purchase. Select the Buy Doge option. Verify your identity, and follow the payment method to complete the transaction. Your Doge tokens will appear in your account once the payment is processed. Check the transaction history to ensure the purchase was successful. 3. Decentralized exchanges, DEX. Sometimes, meme coins are listed on decentralized exchanges earlier than on centralized ones. Here's how to buy meme coins on a DEX. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Choose a crypto wallet that supports DEX transactions, such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Trust Wallet. Ensure your wallet is properly configured to interact with decentralized exchanges. Step 2. Add funds. Fund your wallet with cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB, from a reputable exchange and transfer the funds to your wallet address. Make sure you have enough balance to cover transaction fees. Step 3. Select a DEX platform. Choose a DEX platform like Uniswap, SushiSwap, or PancakeSwap. Visit the official website or use the app to start the process. Ensure you are using the official site to avoid phishing scams. Step 4. Connect your wallet. Connect your wallet to the DEX platform. Find the Connect Wallet option and select your wallet provider. This will enable the DEX to interact with your wallet and perform transactions. Step 5. Select the meme coin. Search for the meme coin you wish to buy and verify its contract address to ensure you have the correct coin. Double-check the contract address on the official project website to avoid scams. Step 6. Execute the trade. Choose the token you're swapping from, e.g. ETH, and the meme coin you're buying. Specify the amount and adjust the slippage tolerance if necessary. Slippage tolerance accounts for price fluctuations during the transaction. Step 7. Verify your transaction. Once the swap is complete, verify that the meme coins have been added to your wallet. Check your wallet balance and transaction history to ensure the transaction was successful. Conclusion. Buying meme coins can be a thrilling venture, but it requires careful planning and an understanding of the risks involved. Ensure you choose a secure crypto wallet. Thoroughly research each meme coin, and be aware of the potential for high volatility. Always prioritize security and be prepared for the ups and downs of the meme coin market. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more insights and updates on the crypto world. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy exploring in the world of meme coins.